Hi, Waukegan. I'm Nicholas Alexakis, Director of Communications for Waukegan Public Schools, and this is 60 and 60 for the week of March 30th. We're back from spring break and ready for the final stretch of the school year. This week, we're sharing details on upcoming parent workshop, highlighting a big accomplishment at Waukegan High School, looking for student leaders, and more. Congratulations to Waukegan High School's Skills USA program, which has been named one of just 24 chapters nationwide to earn the Models of Excellence designation for 2026. This is the highest honor from the Skills USA organization. WHS is also the only school in Illinois to receive this recognition this year. The school will be represented at the National Conference in Atlanta this June. Congratulations to the students and staff involved. Applications are now open for our student board member positions for the 26-27 school year. Current freshmen, sophomores, and juniors are eligible to apply. 2 students, one from each campus, will be selected to serve one-year terms and act as a voice for their peers. Student board members share perspectives on topics like school climate, curriculum, and student life during Board of Education meetings. Application materials are due by May 3rd. Our next Academia 60 Parent Workshop will focus on supporting bilingual children. Join us Tuesday, April 7th from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. at Waukegan High School's Brookside campus. Families will learn how to support language development at home and at school. There's also virtual options in English and Spanish. And finally, a quick reminder that District 60 will be closed this Friday in observance of Good Friday. Classes will resume on Monday, April 6th. That's all for this week. Thank you for joining us, and be sure to watch each week for all the news and events happening in Waukegan Public Schools.